To everyone. It's not his son, to everyone. He's telling him to tell other people, his family. Amr ibn al-As comes from a big family as well. To his people and family, of course. And each person, he should treat any person who dies is from his family, is a brother, you know. And this is the beauty of Islam. When somebody dies, okay, when somebody dies, the one who goes in the funeral, yeah, maybe most of them are from their relatives, but a lot and a big number is from the ones who are not even friends. They're not even relatives. Can you tell me, does this happen to the person who is non-Muslim when he dies, that will be followed by people who do not know him? Would they? No way. It has to be a colleague, a friend in work, yes? But somebody that you don't know, like you just got to go like this, unless you're an investigator, you want to investigate something, you want to see the criminal, somebody's being killed. But like that, no, this is for the Muslims. You see the Muslims, you will come to the straight away, especially if it's a person well known, and he never met him, for his piety, well known to be a person of deen. Everybody will go with him to go and see him. And mashallah, a lot of people.